Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to my Giant Killer Robot project video number 3. This is just going to be a quick update. I've got the upper body all welded up solid now and cleaned up, so it's all sealed. And I got the arms, or the upper arms, on for a bit of a test fit here. There's the one that's going to be holding up the light. Can't get too close here now, or can't get the whole guy in the picture. So I'll zoom in on the traps up top here. Big old bicep. So yeah, good to have that upper body closed up now. Just threw the elbow joints in yesterday. Welded up those doohickeys on the front there and on the back. There's the back all closed in. Get back far enough. So next big thing is get the arms done, right down to the hands, and then get that head done, whatever that's going to look like. And I got to make a hatch out of that access port there. That's how you get at the bolts that keep the two halves together. So that's it for now, all closed up. Heading on to the arms now. So let me know what you think. Wish me luck. Thanks for tuning in.